How to change your phone number on your Gmail account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily change your Gmail phone number on your phone. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now, let's jump right in. First thing you have to do is open up your Gmail app or your Google app. And then from here, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and simply tap on Manage your Google account. And once you land on your account manager, you'll have different options right here on top. Just head over to Personal Info right here. Now from here, all you have to do is tap on the phone icon to edit your phone number or change it. And here you will see your number that has been added to your account. So you just have to tap on the number that you want to change. So just tap on it. So all you have to do here is tap on the edit icon to edit your phone number. Now you'll just have to provide your password or your biometrics to unlock your device. Now just tap on update number at the bottom right corner. And here you can just write in your new number. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.